Hello everyone, you're welcome to another video with Ashiwaju. In today's video, I'll be showing you real quick how you can design a form page in Klaviyo. So I want you to pay attention to this video. Make sure you watch this video to the end. Avoid all distraction. And if you are new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon so you'll be notified anytime I drop a new content. Now, let's jump into the video. So now welcome back. So the first thing you need to do before you create a form page on your account, you must have integrate your Klaviyo account with the platform you're using it with. Maybe you're using it with Shopify. For example, like me, I'm using this with Shopify. So I've already integrated my Klaviyo account with my Shopify store. So you must have integrated it with any platform you're using it with, maybe WooCommerce or any other platform. Now let's jump in to the next step. Now we need to come down right here to sign up forms. Now once we click the sign up forms, it takes us to another page. It's loading. Now here we are. There are two types of forms. We have two types of forms. We have the ready-made forms, and we have the forms that we can build from scratch. We can build these forms from scratch, and we can use the free template one with the ready-made form. Now you can see it here. We have ready-made forms which are here already. We can just click on it and edit it based on our own interest. Now we have many forms here that we can just choose. So I will be choosing one here for this tutorial video. Now let me choose this. Once you click on it, you select the subscribe list where you want your list to store. Now you click on create form. Now this takes us to another page. It's loading. Don't forget, already I said this, I've integrated this with my Shopify store. Here is the Shopify store. It's loading. I think I have a poor network. Yeah, here is the store. Now so once we open the form, now we choose the form we want to use. Now this shows up. Now we need to edit the form. Now the first thing we need to do, now we click on the add block and drag image here on the form. Now one thing about form page and one thing about all CRM platforms, drag and drop. You drag it and drop it and edit it. So now what we want to add here is the image, which is the store logo. We've add image, which is store logo. We want to choose. First thing, we need to add the logo. Now this is the store logo right here. Now the next thing, let me increase the size. I'm increasing the size. You can see it here. You can increase that way or just put number here. Yeah, so I'm just using this for the sake of this tutorial video how you can design the form page. Now what we're going to write here, we can use this for as a promotional purpose. We can write maybe if we're offering a discount or whatsoever we want to offer on our website, you can just put it there. If I check my Shopify store and see I have a 10 discount code on my store, so I can just put it there that sign up and get 10% off. Now, or I can just say sign up sign up and get 10% off discount. You see, sign up and get 10% off discount. There are different forms I can write this. I can just write how does 10% discount sounds. So sign up with your email address to be eligible. So there are different forms. I can write this in different forms. Now down here we need to click it and edit it, and just you see here we already have contact here. Save on your first order and get email only offers when you join. Now I can just write this that sign up with your email address to be eligible for the 10% discount. Now this is going to show up. I think I have a poor network, that's why the typing is slow. Now you see, sign up with your email address to be eligible for the 10% discount. Now we're done with that. Now let's go back and click on this continue. So instead of this continue, we can change this also. We can change it. Maybe you can write sign up or subscribe. Now let's change this to sign up. You see, it's gonna change now. Yeah, sign up. So now we can actually change this image also. You can change this image. We have a lot of settings here that we can just go through, but I don't want this video to be too long, so that's why I'm cutting it short. So now we can just replace this image with our product image. If I just go to the store, let me click on the product. So one thing I forgot to add is that once your front page is talking about, maybe you are about to offer a discount on the page, and you tell customers to sign up and they'll get the discount code. Now once you write it here and they sign up, you need to come to the success, click on the success at the top, and make sure you put the code there. Just put the code there and write something like this, that use code at checkout. Now that's it. Use code at checkout. Let me just reduce the size of this. So once you write something like this, use code at checkout. Thanks to sign up, use code at checkout -10. So this tells the visitors that there is the 10% discount code. That this is the 10% discount code. Now you put it there. So once they sign up with the email, this will show up and they can easily get their 10% discount, which are for them. Now let's change this image now real quick. Now we come to the product. I want to use one of my products. So this is actually one product stock, so I'll be using my product image to replace this image right here. Now, seconds now. Let me just continue with this. Now this SMS opt-in, we can, if only we want to collect our visitor's phone number, and if we don't need this, we can just delete it. But if we need, maybe in any way we need their phone numbers, we can just leave it and edit the text, and you can just add your logo at the top. But I don't need this, so I'm deleting it. I only need the email address. That's enough for me. Now let me just check the product image. So I can just choose any of my product image and just add it. Now I can choose this, and I can choose anyone here. So I can also choose this. I can just save it here. You can resize the image if you want. You can resize the image here and save it. Now let me import the image. Now you need to click on the image, click on replace. Now upload and drag it here, and you can browse your computer to select the image you want to use. Now the image will change automatically. Now you see the image has changed. I can reduce the size of the image. Let me come here, the image position, and click on costume. So once you click on costume, now you will see an option to reduce the size. Now let me change this to 400. So I'm reducing the image size. So I can also reduce this more. I think the image is too big. 300, you see. So let me just reduce it to 350. So that will be better. Oh, let me add more. 360, 370, 370. Yeah, you see, that's how you can be increasing it gradually. Now this 380, so it will be 390 now. Yeah, so this is 389, so that's good, that's more better. Now before we publish our phone page, there's some little edits we can just do. We can replace this image to the left side. We can put it to the right side. We can use only, we can remove the image and use just only this, and we can just put it back here. So the next thing now we can also do is the overlay color when the pop-up, the front page pop-ups on our website. The overlay color, background color right here, you can choose it here, any color we want, but I'm not using any color. I want it to be transparent. I don't need a drop shadow. Now let's scroll down. Drop shadow means like your form shadow. Now I need to reduce the form size. I want to reduce this. The top, padding top, I'm going to delete it 0, 0. Now you see I'm reducing the form size now. The form size. Now when we come back to the styles, now when we come back to the minimum height, yeah, we can reduce it more here. We can reduce it here more, or let's just put a number. Let me just reduce it to 3, so the form will be smaller. You see, so because I don't like it when the form is too big on the website, so the smaller form is better. So we can see now the form is small now, better than before. So the one before is too big, I don't like that. Now this is good. Now we can just click on continue. So now, so that's already about the front page. Now let's come back to the success here. Like I said already, we can also change this image, replace it. So replace it, and we can also resize the image here, give it a smaller size. You see, so once we do this, we are done. The teaser, you can add a teaser to our website. This is simply the teaser, a discount code that pops up, that it will pop up at the side, and we can choose the style we want, maybe a circle or corner. You see, so that's what a teaser simply means. So this just added by Klaviyo. This option is not there before. Now get 10% off. So want the people, once anyone fills my website and clicks on it, so I can just choose when this pop up, maybe after the form is closed, or before display form, or before display form, and after form is closed. So I choose after form is closed, then this will pop up. So that's all. This is what I'll be showing you now. So if there's an issue like this, you go back to your Shopify store. Now you click on the online store. Click on the online store. Now you go back to your Klaviyo, exit the page. At the same time, you go to your store. Maybe after you have integrate the Klaviyo with your store, and this issue pop-ups, now you come back and click on the install code snippet. Now a code will pop up for you to input to your website. So you're going to insert the code into our Shopify store. So once we insert this code, the form will be detected on the website and it will be live. So now the page is loading. The page, so click on that. Now the page finished loading. Now we come here to the actions and click on edit code. This will take us to another page where to insert the code. Now right here at the theme liquid, once we click on it, Now we can just come down straight. We can just input the code here, and we can input the code. We can also input it here. We can input it here and click on save. At the front of the A, we can input it here and click on save. Now let's go back to our Klaviyo and let's click on edit form. Now we go back again and see if this works. So now let's click on the draft. Make sure you save it once you input the code. Click on the draft again. Let's put it live. Now you see sign up form has successfully installed on your site. Now let's click on publish. So now the sign up form is published. Now this will show up on our website. So that's it, how to create a Klaviyo form page. So I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you'll be notified anytime I drop a new content like this. And if you have any question, drop it down in the comment section. And if you have maybe another video you want me to do a tutorial video on, write it down in the comment section. I will add it to my video list. So thanks for watching. See you next time.